Today's catch?
He just drove the boat. These fish are all mine.
That's my baby amberjack because this little pecker made me look like a little... This is... The one I lost though was way bigger than this one. Actually, this is mine. I just pretended like I lost it.
So these are amberjacks.
Amberjack,
These
amberjack.
are snappers. Dogtooth snappers.
You see the teeth?
These are leopard cabria.
Look at the teeth.
And that one is red snapper.
Here, look at the teeth. That's a red snapper. Yes.
Hold up your cabria.
This is a red snapper.
Yes. Hold up your cabria right there.
Red snapper.
That's your cabria right there.
Right here.
That's his biggest catch of the day. Hold it up like this. That's a nice. So, like you can see, pretty epic day today. Perfectly crystal clear water.
How many kilos of fish today?
Say 150.
150 kilos.
That'll bring some
300
money.
pounds of